Hello friends, welcome to another product unboxing and review. Today, we're checking out something I didn't know existed, but everything is on Amazon, right? This is a cordless electric scissor. This is rechargeable fabric scissors or any other kind. It actually can cut through different things, I guess. This features a 4-volt rotary motor and has this nice little case here. So we have some instructions. It comes with a USB to USB-C charger. And let's check this thing out. All right, here it is. It feels solid. This is like it's got some weight to it. It's got a nice rubber grip here. I've never seen one of these before, guys, so this is pretty cool. Let's see. To turn it on, it has a little safety thing here, so kids won't get hurt on it. It has a little button on the top here, and that activates this little light here. This has a guide if you're looking at the top. This guide right here, you can see where it's cutting. And then you pull the trigger. Oops. This stays on for about 10 seconds then. Pull the trigger, and this starts rotating the blade. I got a few materials we're going to try here. All right, junk mail. Pretty much cut right through it there. That's cool. Have some cardboard here with some tape on there. Some tape on the cardboard. Oops, it went off again. So turn that, push the button here on the top, and then pull the trigger here. Huh. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Went right through that like butter. Look at that cut there. Okay, well, I also have a little piece of fabric here. Let's see. Oh, that's like a razor blade there. It's pretty sharp, guys, so just be careful. I do have a cloth here. This is kind of a weird angle here, but I'm going to give it a shot. See if I can cut through this. Okay. So yeah, it does cut. I just kind of got bind there, but where it was cutting. So I'm sure if I put this on the table and you're just going to be able to have it at an angle where you can just go right through it. Just got kind of bound up, holding it like this and trying to cut through it. Maybe we'll get it at a different angle here and try to do that, get it cut in there. All right, yeah, so with fabric too, you just got to be a little bit careful. You can't just force it through there. You just got to go a little bit slower, and it cuts nicely, just like that. All right. Like I said, I've never seen one of these before, guys, and I'm pretty impressed. I mean, it went through this cardboard like butter, pretty much. A little bit of tape on there, but I mean, you can see that's way faster than like if you're going to mess with it with some scissors or something like that. So it feels like sturdy too. So you plug it in here in the back. Has a little red indicator light when it's charging, and actually what I can do is demonstrate right here. Just plug it in. All right, red, and when it's fully charged, that comes on to green. So pretty cool, guys. Yeah, I'd never seen anything like this before, but it handles cardboard like a dream, cuts right through paper, no problem. I like the little safety feature. So if this is off, if the kids are playing with it or something like that, you push the trigger all day long, nothing's going to happen. I like that. You can push this button, and it has that little light that comes on. If you're looking at it from the top and cutting, it's got this guide right here, and it also has the little light on front. So pretty cool little item here, guys. I'm not sure if this comes in different colors or not. Not that color is really a huge deal. Personally, my favorite color is green, so of course I'm a little particular to that color. But yeah, it's a sweet little device here, guys. So yeah, I just never seen one before. So lithium-ion battery on this sucker. Yeah, pretty impressed, guys. Right through cardboard like it's butter, cutting through paper and cloth. So looks like definitely a handy little tool, and especially if you got a bunch of, we have a recycle bin or something like that, and you're trying to tear up cardboard. Some of it's pretty tough. So if the kids could just send the kids out in the garage and, hey, go have fun, break down that cardboard so we can like put it in the recycle bin or whatever. So handy tool, guys. Definitely replaces the scissors as far as if you want to cut something with some speed. This is the way to go. This is pretty cool. I did some, what did I do? I did some cabinet liners a while ago. And I was using scissors for that, and it was just really difficult. But I mean, it just took a long time to cut through with scissors. But with this, you could just look right along the line you make and just cut along it and see where you're going. That's super handy. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Have a great day, and we'll see y'all next time.